Most freelancers think Upwork is dying. They say there are too many freelancers. AI is replacing us. There's no good clients anymore. But after over 15 years on Upwork, after completing over 1,462 jobs, after earning over $1 million, I can tell you this. Upwork did not die, it changed, and most freelancers didn't change with it. Over the last 6 months, I personally analyzed 4,281 real Upwork proposals, not theory, not guesses, real data. And what I found explained exactly why. Some freelancers are still thriving while others are completely stuck. Because the truth is, there is no longer a volume game. Upwork in 2026 is no longer built around who applies the fastest, who applies the most, who writes the longest proposal. Instead, is now driven by AI matching, work history relevance, and client intent signals. Upwork is becoming a matching platform, not a bidding platform, and that changes everything. Because if the system is deciding who gets seen, who gets prioritized, who gets invited, then your strategy has to change too. Here's what I saw in those 4,281 proposals. Most freelancers are still doing this, sending 30 to 50 proposals in a week, applying to anything remotely related, lowering their price to compete, trying to outwork the system. But here's what the data shows. More proposals did not lead to more hires. In many cases, it led to fewer responses because they were applying to lower intent jobs, price shopping clients, unclear scopes, one-off work. This is what I call low-intent work. Low-intent work creates more competition, lower pricing, slower decisions, fewer replies. Now here's the part no one is talking about. Why most freelancers are struggling. There's a smaller group doing very well, and they are doing the opposite. They are applying less, targeting better, charging higher, getting repeat work. Why? Because they are focused on high-intent jobs. These are jobs where the client knows what they want, the budget is realistic, the scope is clear, the timeline is defined. And here's the key. These jobs get fewer bids, but lead to more hires. This is where your strategy becomes your advantage. Because after 15 years, 1,462 jobs, over $1 million earned, and 4,281 proposals analyzed, I can tell you this clearly. Winning on Upwork is no longer about effort. It's about pattern recognition. You don't need more proposals, more connects, more time. What you do need is better decisions. And now with AI, this matters even more because Upwork is learning what you've done, what clients hire you for, and what categories you win in, and it uses that to decide where you show up. So if you are applying to everything, then you are confusing the system. But if you stay focused, you become easier to match. So is Upwork still worth it in 2026? Yes, but not the way it used to be. The freelancers who win now are not the busiest, the cheapest, the fastest. They are the most strategic. And if you learn how to read job intent, apply with precision, build around your strengths, then Upwork doesn't get harder, it gets clearer. If you want to learn exactly how I identify high-intent jobs, then join my next Reset live stream. I break this down step by step.